Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the system is up to date and has room to breathe. First, check for an Android TV update and install it. Updates fix slow bugs. Once done, remove unused apps or move media to USB so at least 20% storage is free, which improves caching. Next, reboot the box and force stop apps running in background to clear memory. Doing these first actions reduces load and prepares the device for deeper tuning. You now go deeper by changing system behavior for performance. First, enable developer options, then set background process limit to 2 to prevent idle apps from consuming RAM. This reduces lag. Next, disable or remove pre-installed bloatware and heavy autofill services that start at boot, because fewer startup processes mean a snappier UI. Finally, make sure you use wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. You finish with final tweaks that deliver noticeable snappiness. Install a lightweight launcher and reduce or disable window animations to 0. 5x or off to speed UI transitions. If apps still misbehave, clear app caches selectively or perform a factory reset only after backing up settings and media, because resets restore default performance. If problems persist, check for overheating or a weak power adapter. Replacing the adapter or adding ventilation often resolves unexplained throttling. Troubleshoot systematically and retest after each change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.